Bakit lagi na lang ba ako mag-isa? Aasa na lang ba ako sa pantasya? Nasaan ka na ba?
Tira ko. Ay. Ambat.
Abad.
Kahit saan tumingin, ang daming nahuhulog sa isa't isa. Ba't sa'kin ay wala? Lumapit ka, asan ka na ba? Wala naman akong gusto na iba. Ang sakit kahit walang nananakit. Naghihintay ako, hinahanap kita.
It's really pretty over here. As you can see, it looks like a fairy forest right here. Say hi! How do you feel spending your Mother's Day here?
First time in hiking, guys.
Wow, that's so amazing. That's really great.
Go.
Oh, sorry.
Minsan iniisip ko kung pangit ba ako. Pangit ba ako? Kasi binit habang buhay ko.
Hi guys. Naday mi karon sa kuan guys. Asa ni dapit?
Point Lobos.
Sa Point Lobos, Carmel Beach.
Shout out sa akong ate Carmel. Carmel Joy. Kay iyaan ning dagat.
Hindi ba talaga sapat ang tulad ko?
Jai. Jai. Nakayatag mo. Direk.
It's gonna it's poison ivy.
Bakit lagi na lang ba ako mag-isa? Aasa na lang ba ako sa pantasya? Nasaan
I'm sorry.
Hello, this is Miss Philippines.
Wow. And is this Mr. Philippines?
I hope so.
nalulungkot sa wala? Kahit saan tumingin, ang daming nahuhulog sa isa't isa. Ba't sa'kin ay wala? Lumapit ka, asan ka na ba? Wala naman akong gusto na iba. Ang sakit kahit walang nananakit. Naghihintay ako, hinahanap kita.
Guys, we're at Point Lobos Beach right now. And it's very cold.
Hi guys. Naday meron sa kuan guys. Ambot ating kapita.
This is my sister. Isn't she so beautiful? Jai Jai!
Minsan iniisip ko kung pangit ba ako. Pangit ba ako? Kasi asan na binibinit habang buhay ko. Hindi ba talaga sapat ang tulad ko? Tulad ko sa buhay ng isang prinsesa na tulad mo.
tired, hot, sweaty, fat, hungry.
Damn.
Wow. Sponsored by
Kirkland.
Wow. His favorite.
My favorite.
Ito mga people.
Ano?
Stop it.
Oh, sorry.
Stop.
Oh, sorry.
Hinahanap-hanap kita.
Hi guys. We just finished the other trail and we're gonna go back to the parking lot. We're specifically 8 minutes away from the parking lot. And we're gonna grab a bite to eat after dinner. And I think my mother also wants to go to... You're not slick. But you keep making faces. Yeah, I think my mother wants to go to the mall. Specifically not my mother, but my sister. So her mood definitely lightened up after hearing that.
Andito lang ako, hinahanap kita.
And from around. I'm so proud of you. I know, right? Wow. She's so confident.
Wait a minute!